We're here in San Francisco. You've been asking, Wurm, what's up with the chowder? Fernie Wurnie, when are we gonna go get the chowder? I read the text, and guess what? I read your comments. We gonna go get the chowder. We going to the ramp, kids. Here we go. You know your boy Wurm? He's here with his best friend. Where you going, man? We were just gonna go to the ramp. All right, but you know what? Little story about the ramp, because back in the Web 1, Web 2.0, where were we? Web 3? The long story short is this is where the party was at. The ramp, you would go dancing on Saturday night, Sunday night, mimosa mornings. So get ready, kids, because if you're ever in town, this is where you want to come, Bayfront Park. 1983. Come on, boys and girls. Do you know a restaurant older in San Francisco? And guess what? We just ordered our clam chowder, a little bit of fish tacos and calamari, and you guys are gonna eat with us. Here we are at the dog patch at the ramp. Calamari is really good. For those of you keeping score, now we're on to the oysters. Hold on, CPC. Let me get that lemon up in there. So good. So good. Been waiting, kids. And what you asked for, here it is. The chowder at the ramp in San Francisco. Oh my God, this is so good. You need to come and get this soup. The fish tacos, calamari, oysters. What didn't we have? America, always love spending time with you. We'll see you next time. Yeah, like I told you, boop, boop. We're gonna go get some soup.